Biodiversity means the world to us. Healthy ecosystems filter the water we depend on. Rich biodiversity pollinates the crops we eat. It also provides the key ingredients for the medicines we need. Biodiversity also regulates our climate. Forests, oceans, and soils absorb huge amounts of carbon dioxide and prevent runaway climate change. Our actions affect species near and far, just as changes in habitats everywhere can impact us. Conserving biodiversity is not a niche issue. It's survival. From the clean air we breathe to a stable climate and the preservation of our economy, biodiversity's gifts are woven into our everyday lives. In our intricately connected world, biodiversity loss is rippling through ecosystems, threatening the global economy and ultimately our survival. More than half of tropical rainforests have been cleared over the past century. Wildlife populations on average have decreased exponentially since 1970. The world's coral reefs could vanish if we don't act fast. Inevitably, the loss affects us individually. Around 40% of the global population are adversely affected by land degradation. Up to $500 billion worth of annual global crop production is at risk from lost ecosystem services. And the global economy could lose as much as $2.7 trillion a year by 2030 if countries continue to destroy biodiversity. From poles to oceans and forests, our future depends on preserving biodiversity. Our world is facing a biodiversity crisis. The path ahead involves each of us making purposeful choices every day. We can reduce our energy and water consumption, and we can use transport methods that can help lower emissions. We can also invest with purpose. The risk of biodiversity loss is creating a world of investing opportunities, touching many industries and value chains, integral to the global economy. By directing your money towards more sustainable outcomes, the way you invest can help drive transformational progress. Creating a nature-positive future can only happen when private and public sectors come together. At Fidelity, sustainability is integral to how we choose and manage our investments. We believe that as champions of biodiversity, together we are investing in the heart of everything.